I do know that YouTube is having problems right now with the subscription service type thing when you subscribe to someone. So please, if you would, please click that bell notification on next to the subscribe button so you guys will get my uploads. A lot of you guys have been saying that you haven't got them, and then you will never miss videos like this. Again, it's that little bell notification next to the subscribe button, and if you click that and then you click the bell on, and you will never miss another one of my videos. Hey Glide fam, so today I'm going to be doing a exciting video, and I haven't done one of these in a while, and this is a review on this Blackhead mask, and it's a peel off mask as usual. And this one is from DEPROZEA, and it is called Blackhead Remover Mask, upgraded formula, and bamboo charcoal peel off mask. I am really excited about this because you can get this little brush that actually you can apply the mask with, which I actually really like because it's kind of a little weird to apply it with your fingers. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, but I feel like this is gonna be awesome. So, it says cleanse your face and open your pores with warm water. Already done. And then it says apply a medium to thick layer on desired area. Make sure to avoid eyebrows, hairline, eye area, and lips. Leave on for 20 minutes until fully dry and gently peel starting from the bottom. Rinse off any residue with warm water and clean with towel. Moisturize afterwards to keep skin hydrated and healthy. I actually really like that in this pamphlet they say how to get rid of blackheads in different ways other than their blackhead peel, so I can really appreciate that. It says eat healthy, drink 2 liters of water per day, don't smoke, sleep enough, do physical activity, clear your skin morning and evening, make a gentle scrub once a week to eliminate dead skin. I have already washed my face. Let me put my hair up. Here is the brush. It is silicone and pink and black. Ooh. It's very soft and very movable, which I appreciate because if it was stiff, like super stiff, it'd be kind of hard to spread evenly. So it's pretty soft, and I actually really like how this feels. I feel like it's going to help apply the blackhead mask a lot. So that is a plus. If you guys would like to try it out yourselves, I will have a link down below. So, the first. How cute are these? If you guys are interested in this skull little mason jar, I found it on Amazon. It's freaking awesome, and I will link it down below. If I can't find it, I'll link something similar. I'm going to place it on. Oh, this is gonna be so nice, guys. By the way, I have no makeup on except for my eyebrows. And that's just because I've had them on all day. And I need to keep them on. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit more on here. Just a little. And I'm going to do the other side, avoiding my nose ring. By the way, guys, they are working with me in sponsoring this video, but you already know I'm gonna be completely truthful and honest with my opinion, and if I like it, you'll know, and if I don't like it, you'll probably know even more. The smell is a lot stronger than any blackhead mask that I've used. The texture is actually a little bit thicker than most blackhead masks out there. I really like that this comes with this applicator. I think it's a very smart move. So I'm going to let this dry for 20 to 30 minutes and I will be right back. Alright, it has been about 25 minutes. And I'm going to peel this off. Let me zoom you guys in. I'm just gonna pull my lip down. Ooh, this one's really on there. Okay. Woo! Ooh, this is gonna be good, guys. This is gonna be really good. All right. I'm gonna go rinse my face off and I'll be right back. So you can definitely see all those blackheads in there. Look at that. That is insane. Woo. All right, I'm back and you can see all of the residue left from the mask is off. It was super easy to take off. I just ran some water onto a cloth and just literally swept it off my face. It took like maybe 15 seconds. And it's off my face now. I have to say that this took a lot of my blackheads out. I mean, not all of, it didn't take all of my blackheads out, but it took, gosh darn it, a lot of them out. And so I have to say that I am really impressed with this mask. I really, really like it. If you guys would like to try it out yourselves, I will have a link down below. And that is it for this review, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beautybyjosiek, and follow me on my social media outlets. That is Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. They are also at Beautybyjosiek. Also, I do know that YouTube is having problems right now with the subscription service type thing when you subscribe to someone. So please, if you would, please click that bell notification on next to the subscribe button so you guys will get my uploads. A lot of you guys have been saying that you haven't got them, and then you will never miss videos like this. Again, it's that little bell notification next to the subscribe button, and if you click that and then you click the bell on, and you will never miss another one of my videos. Bye!